Now, let's welcome him back. He's got his fiddle, his guitar, and a glockenspiel. Andrew Bird. Andrew, you're you're loaded down. You're loaded down. You've got every instrument you brought.
Yeah, this is the tightrope act here.
Now, you're going to loop, right?
Yeah.
You're going to loop. You got your fiddle. You got your guitar.
Slung around back.
And you got your glockenspiel.
The
play,
whistle.
And you're going to whistle. You're going to do everything. All right, play the glockenspiel so folks can identify the sound. That's you whistling with the glockenspiel. How did you learn to whistle in tune?
Well, it's a casual thing, you know. It's not. I didn't get out the etudes and scales for the whistling, but I do it incessantly more than I play the violin. So.
Well, we're going to go ahead and check this out. This is for those watching on the webcast. You're seeing the visual that I am. I mean, this man is like he's armed and ready. The CD is called Weather Systems. The song is Lull, L-U-L-L, Lull. It's Andrew Bird on the Wood Songs, Old Time Radio Hour.
Being alone can be quite romantic, like Jacques Cousteau underneath the Atlantic. A fantastic voyage, 2 parts unknown, going to depths where the sun's never shone. And I fascinate myself, sure I do when I'm alone. So I go a little overboard, I hang on to the hull. I'm airbrushing at fantasy art on a life that's really kinda dull. Yeah, and I'm in a lull. Oh, I'm in a lull. I'm in a but sometimes it seems moderation itself can be a kind of extreme. So I joined the congregation, joined the softball teams, went in for my confirmation where incense looks like steam. I start conjugating proverbs. Once there were nouns, this whole damn rhyme seems really starting to get me down, I swear. Rambling on rather self-consciously while I'm stirring these condiments into my tea. I think I'm so lame, I bet I think this song is about me, don't I? Don't I? Yeah. Oh, I'm in some kind of lull.
Andrew Bird on the Wood Songs Old Time Radio Hour. The song is Lull. The CD is Weather Systems. It's on Righteous Babe Records, Ani DeFranco's label.